The MQ-9A Reaper is one of the most advanced and recognizable unmanned aerial vehicles in modern military history. Known for its versatility, endurance, and precision strike capabilities, the Reaper has redefined aerial operations in the 21st century. Developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, it was originally introduced as an evolution of the MQ-1 Predator, with the goal of providing longer range, greater payload capacity, and enhanced surveillance abilities. The Reaper is not just a drone, but a complete aerial system that integrates intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and combat strike missions into a single platform. Powered by a Honeywell TPE 331 turboprop engine, the MQ-9A Reaper can reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour and fly at altitudes of 50,000 feet, giving it a significant advantage in both surveillance and strike roles. Its endurance is one of its most remarkable qualities, with the ability to stay airborne for over 24 hours, depending on its mission loadout. This makes it a perfect tool for long-duration reconnaissance operations, monitoring vast areas of land or sea, and delivering precise strikes without the need for constant refueling or pilot fatigue. One of the defining characteristics of the MQ-9A Reaper is its payload capacity. It can carry up to 3,750 pounds of external stores, including a wide range of munitions such as AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway-2 laser-guided bombs, and GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions (JDAM). This versatility allows the Reaper to engage both stationary and moving targets with pinpoint accuracy. Beyond its striking power, the aircraft is also equipped with advanced sensor systems, including multi-spectral targeting systems, synthetic aperture radar, and high-definition cameras capable of operating day and night. These sensors enable real-time surveillance and provide commanders with critical battlefield intelligence. The Reaper is operated remotely by highly trained crews consisting of a pilot and a sensor operator, usually stationed at ground control facilities thousands of miles away from the operational zone. This remote operation minimizes the risks to human life while still allowing full control over the aircraft and its systems. The aircraft's satellite link ensures secure communication between the drone and its control stations, making global operations possible. It has been deployed extensively in combat theaters such as Afghanistan, Iraq, and other regions where persistent surveillance and precision strike capabilities are essential. In addition to combat roles, the MQ-9A Reaper has been employed for border patrol, maritime surveillance, search and rescue missions, and even disaster response. Its ability to stay airborne for extended periods makes it highly effective in situations where persistent observation is required. It has proven to be a critical tool in counter-terrorism operations, allowing forces to monitor high-value targets and strike with accuracy when necessary. The impact of the MQ-9A Reaper goes beyond the battlefield. Its development marked a turning point in how militaries around the world view unmanned systems. It has set the standard for future drone technology and has influenced the design of next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicles. With ongoing upgrades, including improved sensors, extended range, and advanced data sharing capabilities, the Reaper continues to evolve to meet modern security challenges. Despite its success, the use of the MQ-9A Reaper has also sparked debates about the ethics of drone warfare. Critics argue that the remote nature of operations creates a sense of detachment from the battlefield, raising questions about accountability and civilian safety. On the other hand, supporters highlight that drones like the Reaper allow for precision engagement that reduces the need for large-scale ground operations and minimizes risks to both military personnel and civilians. Looking at its performance and history, the MQ-9A Reaper stands as a symbol of technological innovation in modern warfare. Its combination of endurance, firepower, and intelligence-gathering capabilities makes it one of the most effective aerial platforms in service today. Whether providing surveillance over a conflict zone, delivering precision strikes, or aiding humanitarian missions, the Reaper continues to prove its worth. As technology progresses, the MQ-9A is expected to serve as a bridge to even more advanced systems. Future upgrades may include artificial intelligence integration, autonomous decision-making features, and enhanced survivability against modern air defense systems. For now, it remains the backbone of U.S. unmanned aerial operations and a powerful example of how technology is reshaping the future of air combat. Thank you for watching Future Speed Hub 2026, where we bring you detailed insights into the world's most advanced military aircraft and technologies. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next video.